it comes from within our party. Mesre say yenya party for no yenima bokosema yenhwe. Omampani ko 4 time. Say ya ne see ya ne kwaji a party. That was the time to break the 8. And yadi ya mushishe mua and breaking the 8, you know. Yantimian breaking. And then Uberia party ba na Okasetia was say if you think you are tired, one energy minister Napo, if you think you are tired, then resign. How on hell? And I no more way in Akoso. But I'm warning them. Yeah, Ashantis, we will not just sit down. And some minority group to be within the MPP to challenge the image of the Ashantis. One more party, not even the Ashantis.
Why, Chama, you think there is an attempt?
Exactly.
By who? And for what reasons?
Yeah, the reason being that, what you say? Mami Frema was say Opare, honorable. She's the only woman on record in the history of Ghana, Babedi Chief of Staff.
Yeah.
And I want to tell Ghana, look at the number of roads, the number of infrastructure we have achieved. And I mean, can't part for your city money, Bobremu. It is a winner executive. That's a one no Mabiasia. The time has come. Go and look for position. Never running. What you say? But a normal air cosono. Ghana nipa bakodia. Ghana idea.
Yeah.
Here is the woman I've never seen both the opposition and the party in power. Ya number si mami said the way you won't be that. Mami no wabadaye. Ekoya wodi oman ni MPP ni Ghana faso no. Aye ni kwanso ano. What you say? Na moko share inchonomu. Mami use the word inchonomu. Na say musimu be say no a. Mami no elsa a edi mami nachi any inshire di mami nachi no. Asumbo no weapon can form against this woman. Yes.
Right.
And he's the only person what boy in Pembebre no Oba Santi regional na me ni din komo me se mami Asante mai woni ya need aso na ya timidi Asante region ya regions 2020 akọ consult about 6 to 9 regions ya nya de now we say energy minister untimi resign why yi Muhachi plan against chief of staff. To break the 8, it's not easy.
Sure.
And I'm saying, the seat of the government, and Kranti can be a Santa region. You be a 1 year campaign, and the Monyamini, Jumano Duana Bananka for no more benefit. They shouldn't take advantage of, say, a week. What you say? And to the same, any Kophobia or planning against chief of staff. I'm warning them they should be very careful, and we shall fight them.
Okay.
Your call has
now,
been put on hold.
Yemra,
Please wait. Your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Wafe? Wafa Kwabena Nsenkyire. Mo hwe na mo mana man yese ne phone.
Yeah,
aha. Afa Yemra anra nhyiamudi a party mpanifo am asante mante mudi ye ne so yi.
Yo, me da say, say phone no bibi put some kind of. That movement, you hear the betum e be say move man party base.
Yeah.